angel message for you today. Make time to be truly grateful for all that you have in your life and realize how blessed you already are. Being grateful for the little things will attract so much more into your life to be truly grateful for. By making gratitude a daily attitude, you will manifest more than you can right now. Show some loving kindness, make someone smile today, and all have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you. You are loved. Let whatever you do today be enough. Finished making some time to love yourself just that little bit more. Things may have seemed like a whirlwind recently, so use ample time to replenish and restore. Take a salt bath, spend some time out in nature and connect with Gaia. Watch the sun set the evening and relish in life's many pleasures that are often forgotten in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Make time, you owe it to you. The more you love you, this will be matched with more love in many ways. You will be rewarded. Type yes if you agree.